Welcome back. A lot of huge movers this week and today. Let's go to get a quick power check on Robinhood, which is one of them. It's been on an absolute tear, hit an intraday record high on Wednesday. The shares are up more than 120% this year, and it's on pace for its third straight month of double-digit gains. This all comes as ARK Invest Cathie Woods actually dumped over $4.5 million worth of the stock, but it's still one of her top holdings. She often talks about trimming when you get to a certain percent of the portfolio. Our next guest still believes in Robinhood and is joining us to explain her trade. Eva Ados, the COO and Chief Investment Strategist at ERShares. Hardly a permable, Eva. Half the time we talk, we're always talking about which stocks you're selling. So why does Robinhood, after this huge run, one that you think is still worth holding on to?
Oh, we really believe in it. In fact, it's one of our biggest weight in XOVR ETF. It's been a compelling story, not just for this year, but for last year too. And it's not in the Russell 1000 growth, but if it was, it would have been the #1 performer this year. The truth is that the current administration is very much pro-crypto. That has benefited many crypto companies, and Robinhood is one of them. But Robinhood is not just anymore a meme stock trading platform. It has expanded beyond brokerage. So now it offers retirement accounts, it offers private banking, credit cards. It has become a very comprehensive financial platform, and it's not just Gen Z or millennials trading now through Robinhood, but many older people too. So we see that growing from here. In fact, we believe that it was a very smart strategy, just like social media platforms, that they enter the market with the younger generations and then they grow from there. Robinhood followed that strategy, and it's worked very well.
Yeah, no, I thought the IRA incentive, I mean, it was a big handout, but also, again, seems to have worked in terms of attracting more kind of stickier dollars to the platform. So you mentioned the crypto piece of this, though, Eva. That's the only thing that might give people some pause. Bitcoin's kind of stalled out. Coinbase, Circle are starting to stall out. You know, could that be an overhang for Robinhood?
Well, if you look at the financials of Robinhood, so we mentioned the story and why we like it, but from a fundamental basis, there are very few companies that look so attractive. The company 2 years ago had $1.9 billion in revenue, now has almost doubled to $3.3 billion. It has increased its margins, dropped the SG&A, actually plummeted. The SG&A plummeted by 2/3, and it has widened its EBITDA from negative 200% to positive 150%. And it's very rarely that you see companies have such a quick turnaround in profitability.
Yeah.
So we think that the growth will continue going forward.
I appreciate going back to the fundamentals, you know, for a lot of people who just wonder how the stock has done what it's done. Eva, thanks for now. We appreciate it. Eva Ados with ERShares.